This is Motorola Moto X40, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first step is to make sure that your phone is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Google Play Store, sign into your Google account if you haven't already, then type in the Opera query at the search bar. Once the needed app is found, you can start its installation either directly from the search results or open the dedicated or designated app page and tap at the install button over there. Doesn't matter what route you choose, since they will lead you to an identical or to same result. Once the app is ready, you can go ahead and launch it. While opening Opera for the first time, it is required to perform a simple setup. So tap at the continue button, then decide if you would like to turn on notifications for Opera, as well as set it as your default browser, perhaps. And at this final page, you can personalize the permissions and privacy preferences that an Opera will have an access to, or simply allow everything that it asks for, and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.